Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. I'm your host, and tonight we're diving deep into a topic that's sparking a lot of debate, the electric vehicle revolution. Specifically, we're going to zoom in on California, a state at the forefront of this transformation, and dissect the facts from the myths surrounding EVs. This isn't just about trendy tech. It's about our planet, our economy, and the future of how we move. So buckle up, because we're going on a journey to uncover the truth about EVs. California has set a bold target: 100% electric vehicles by 2035. That's a monumental shift, folks, and it's generating a whirlwind of questions and concerns. Is it even feasible? Will the state's power grid be able to handle the added load of millions of EVs? I understand the skepticism. We've all seen those news stories about rolling blackouts and strained energy resources. But let's not jump to conclusions. Let's explore the exciting innovations and strategies that are being developed to not only support but actually enhance the grid as we transition to electric vehicles. One of the biggest criticisms leveled against EVs is their environmental impact, specifically the emissions associated with battery production. Some claim that EVs have to travel tens of thousands of miles before they offset their carbon debt. But is that really true? We'll examine lifecycle analyses from reputable sources, factoring in battery manufacturing, electricity generation, and fuel production for gas-powered vehicles. I'll show you the real numbers and the significant reductions in life-cycle greenhouse gas emissions that EVs offer, especially as our electricity grids get cleaner. Now, let's have a head-to-head, electric versus gas-powered cars. We'll compare fuel efficiency, running costs, air pollution, and safety. We'll debunk myths like the idea that EVs emit more pollution due to tire wear and address concerns about battery life and safety. I'll share statistics from countries like Norway that have already embraced EVs, showing their real-world performance and safety records. It's time to put these claims to the test with data and evidence. Another fear is that the EV revolution will cost jobs in the auto industry. Some worry that manufacturing EVs requires fewer workers. But what does the data show? We'll examine studies projecting job creation in the clean energy sector, including EV manufacturing and battery production, and discuss the potential for new jobs to outweigh losses in traditional fossil fuel industries. This transition will be disruptive, no doubt, but it's crucial to understand the bigger picture and the significant economic opportunities it presents. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: charging infrastructure. The shift to EVs requires a massive build-out of charging stations, and there are valid concerns about accessibility, reliability, and cost. We'll explore the progress being made in expanding charging networks, discuss government targets and incentives, and examine innovative solutions like smart charging and vehicle-to-grid technology. We'll look at countries like China leading the charge and see what lessons California and the rest of the world can learn. This is where things get really interesting: bidirectional charging, or V2G. This technology allows your EV to not only take power from the grid, but also give it back. Imagine your car acting as a mobile power source, supporting the grid during peak demand, providing backup power during outages, and even lowering your electricity bill. We'll explore the potential of V2G to transform the energy landscape and revolutionize how we manage our electricity needs. Even with bidirectional charging, the question remains: will our electricity grid be truly clean? The answer lies in the expansion of renewable energy sources, particularly solar and wind. We'll explore the dramatic growth in solar capacity in California and across the U.S., fueled by investments and incentives. We'll discuss the Inflation Reduction Act and its impact on the solar industry, showcasing the progress being made towards a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. Let's face it, wildfires are a devastating reality in California. They release massive amounts of greenhouse gases, threatening the state's ambitious climate goals. But are wildfires the sole reason for rising emissions? We'll examine the data, compare wildfire emissions to human-caused emissions, and discuss strategies for mitigating wildfire risk and protecting forests, which are vital carbon sinks. This is a complex issue, and it's crucial that we understand the science and take action to protect our environment. With the planned closure of the Phillips 66 refinery complex, California faces the challenge of importing more gasoline. Where will this fuel come from, and what are the implications for prices and supply chain vulnerabilities? We'll analyze the state's refining landscape, discuss the challenges of importing gasoline, and explore the long-term vision for a transition away from fossil fuels. This is a crucial moment for California to think strategically about its energy future. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a sense of optimism and excitement about the future of transportation. The transition to EVs is accelerating, driven by innovation, policy, and consumer demand. There will be challenges along the way, but by addressing them head-on, we can create a cleaner, more sustainable transportation system for all. I believe in the power of technology to solve big problems, and the EV revolution is a testament to this potential. I'm passionate about empowering you with knowledge, and I value your insights. What are your thoughts on the electric vehicle revolution? What are your biggest concerns and hopes? Share your comments below, and let's have a discussion. Don't forget to like and subscribe to All About AI Tech for more in-depth explorations of the technologies shaping our future. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.